This hair growth recipe will change many lives. Yes, there's a reason why you click this video. It's either you have a bad hair or someone around you that you know has a bad hair or is going through a lot with the hair, trying to fix, trying to make sure it grows, trying to darken it, and you've tried orishirishi different things. They've given you concoction to rub on your hair, at the same time it's not working. Welcome to the solution, because I'll be bringing to you different videos with different examples, and everything's are natural. Watch. Natural recipes that you can use to grow your hair, maintain your hair, darken your hair, and look mwah. You get me? Here's the solution. Here's another extreme hair growth hack you should try: onion oil. Now at this point you might be thinking, how do I get this one? How do I get this recipe? How do I mix up this thing? Hey, there are different types of recipe, so you need to select the ones that you know you can lay your hand on. More solution. This natural hair recipe will make your hair look gorgeous, and you'll be proud of yourself. Trust me, it is tested and trusted. So anyone you can lay your hand on that you can mix, make sure you mix them, and make sure you are using them constantly. Don't just use one day and say I want to see the results. You know it does not work like that. This is natural. With this, no more broken hair, no more damaged hair. You need to look beautiful now. For us the men now, so that we can be happy, enjoy yourself. So but in case you have other recipes too, you might want us to know natural recipes, hint us in the comment section and let's bring it out. Let everybody enjoy from it now. Till I come your way next time, I still remain Papi. Don't forget, subscribe or I'll collect your phone from your hand.